OpenSSL is a widely targeted attack surface with 19% of hostile activity globally. Organizations in all industries must ensure they are promptly mitigating vulnerabilities to prevent cyber attacks. For OpenSSL and GNU-C vulnerabilities, the best practice is timely security patching. When you update shared libraries to the more secure versions, you need to restart the services that use them. This causes service downtime. LibraryCare detects all vulnerable shared libraries and automatically applies security updates without requiring service restarts or server reboots. The installation process of LibraryCare is easy. Plus, you can set it up on multiple servers at a time. After the installation, the service will automatically check for new patches every 4 hours and pull the updates from a dedicated KernelCare server or KernelCare ePortal, a private patch server for gated infrastructures. LibraryCare is available for all major Linux distributions and can only be purchased as an add-on for KernelCare Enterprise. To learn more and subscribe to LibraryCare, visit TuxCare.com.